The PNI OV288 car alarm system has a special silent arming function that stops the siren in case of an alarm, very useful when you do not want to be disturbed by false alarms caused by thunder, loud noises, animals, or other similar factors. In this case, the alarm is done only with light signals. Most of the cars offer the possibility of opening the luggage compartment from the button as a convenience. With this alarm system, the function can be taken and operated directly from the two remotes without having to open the car and operate the onboard button. The system is equipped with two identical remotes with the same functions, which can be attached to the two keys of the car. Your car is protected by this special sensor with adjustable sensitivity from possible mechanical shocks, blows, action that it detects and reports through light and acoustic signals. Thus, the car will attract the attention of the people around, and not only that it has been subjected to a shock and/or a possible attempt to brake.